In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide columns in Google Sheets on desktop. First, make sure you're working in a desktop browser, since that's where these controls are most accessible. Open your Google Sheet so you can see the grid with the column headers along the top. Those headers are the letters A, B, C, and so on. We'll be interacting with those, not the cells inside the sheet. If you want to hide multiple columns at once, move your cursor up to the first column header you want to include. Click and hold on that header, then drag across the neighboring headers you also want to hide. As you drag, you'll see the selected headers become highlighted, and the entire columns underneath will highlight too. This drag action is important. It ensures you're selecting the columns themselves, not just a few cells. Once your columns are selected, right-click directly on any one of the highlighted column headers. Right-clicking in the header area matters, because that's what brings up the menu you need. In the context menu that appears, choose Hide Columns. You'll usually see the option indicate the range it's about to hide, which is a good quick check that you selected the right ones. As soon as you confirm, those columns will disappear from view. Don't worry, nothing is deleted. Your data and formulas are still there, they're just out of sight for a cleaner workspace. Between the remaining visible columns, you'll notice a small arrow indicator, often a slim set of chevrons or a bracket with arrows. That marker shows exactly where the hidden columns live. Whenever you want to bring those columns back, click that arrow. A single click will unhide the entire hidden range at once, restoring all the columns you originally hid. If you've hidden more than one separate group of columns, you'll see multiple arrow markers. Click the one that corresponds to the gap you want to restore. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the Hide Columns option doesn't appear, make sure you're right-clicking on the column header itself, not in the body of the sheet. If you accidentally hide the wrong columns, use Undo to instantly revert. And remember, hiding is perfect when you want to focus on the numbers that matter without losing any underlying data. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, select the headers by dragging, right-click, choose Hide Columns, and use the small arrow to unhide them whenever you need.